You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 5/12. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 5/8 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. And so the final result is x equals 5/12.